How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars, checking out a beautiful 66 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed. This is a true 138 VIN. It's painted Marina Blue, black interior. This car has undergone a recent frame-off restoration. All new bumpers, all the trim, taillight trim have all been replaced. Grill looks like it's been replaced. Front bumpers all been replaced. All the eyebrow trim been updated with power disc brakes, power steering. Nicely built 396. It's got the factory gauge knee knocker tack, all the factory gauge dash in it, 3-spoke sport wheel. Front and rear seat belts, retrofit AM/FM stereo. It's got the factory console, the Hurst shifter. These true 138 cars are getting real hard to find. Floor looks real good. See the knee knocker tack. It's a little cold out today, you'll have to forgive us. Jams look good. This car just runs and drives beautiful. These cars look really good, and this Marina Blue is just super slick color on these cars. Does have an aluminum intake. They painted it orange. It's got a holly carb. Good sounding motor, real good, strong sounding motor. Very nice car, guys. This thing's ready to cruise. Again, you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.